Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is my first video actually, and in this video I'm just going to be showing you what I will be posting and if I have other YouTube channels and other things similar to that. Let's get into the video. So yes, I do have another channel and it is called Gotcha Vibes. I am not a big YouTuber. I got around 356 subscribers because of one viral video. But I'm very proud of myself for that, and I'm glad and surprised that I actually made it that far, because a couple days before, I was literally at 12 subscribers, so that was really big for me, and I'm really glad that I got that. I was just very surprised, so I'm very happy about that. But other than that, I will be uploading videos of me playing Roblox, such as, I don't know, Welcome to Bloxburg, possibly Adopt Me, but I don't know about that because I recently got all my pets stolen. I was hacked actually by someone using my username. And so basically how I was hacked, so basically what happened was everything was right, everything was good, and I was on Trader with a bunch of YouTubers used it, so I thought it would be fun to try it. So I was trying it out, and it said I had to put my username in this one box, and instead of putting it in that one box, I accidentally put it in my bio and the box. So I guess the person looked at my bio and saw my username, and eventually they did block me. So that made me really confused at the moment. So I just moved on from it, and I didn't even notice she hacked me. And I was watching YouTube, watching some of my favorite YouTube channels, and I went on Roblox after a while because I got bored of watching YouTube. And whenever I went on Adopt Me, I noticed that all my good pets were gone. And I lost my Neon Fly Red Shark, my Neon Evil Dagsuit, and like 6 more legendaries. I was very disappointed and sad, but I mean, I had to deal with it. I couldn't do much. So I did reach out to Roblox support. I did make a report on the Adopt Me trade, because apparently all my stuff is getting traded for free to a different account, which was just making me really sad because I could see all of my good pets getting traded away just like that. So I was very disappointed, but I mean, that's why you guys gotta be careful, you know, you can't trust anyone. So I'm guessing they saw my bio, and they saw my username, and somehow hacked me by just saying my username. But that happened. So I was really disappointed. But anyways, I will be uploading a lot, but I might not be able to upload often. On my other channel though, I have not been uploading. If one of you guys are subscribed to that channel, then you might have noticed that I haven't been uploading for a while now. It's because I haven't had any inspiration and I just can't think of anything right now at the moment. Even though I search a whole bunch of things up on YouTube trying to find inspiration, at this point I'm trying to find something where it doesn't have any cuss words, anything violent, or stuff like that. It's just, for me right now, it's really hard to find something like that, apparently, which makes it super duper hard to find inspiration and make new videos. I will soon be posting a video on that channel saying that I will not be posting for a while because of vacation and other things that I just do not have the time for. And a while ago I did get a comment saying, can you please make a video? It is my cousin's birthday. I sadly cannot do the video at the moment because I was at the beach and I had family from another country come to the US, and apparently she was disappointed in me, which made me feel really bad, but I managed to put it into my schedule and I was able to do it, which made me really happy because eventually she did say thank you, and it just made me really happy and it put a smile on my face to see that she was happy. So I was super excited about that, and I felt very good about it. I felt like I was being appreciated and I did something really good. It did take me a while to put up that video though, because I was doing separate photos on separate days, and I just wasn't able to do everything she wanted. And I had this whole something planned out during the 4-hour car ride when I was going to the beach, but I just didn't have the time to, because every day we would go to the beach, and it was pretty hard to put it into my schedule, but I did it though, so I'm happy that I was able to do it. And that about does up this video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed my little intro and everything like that, and I really do hope you actually enjoyed it. I know it was only like about a 5-minute video, but I really hope you enjoyed it, and hopefully I can get more subscribers and make this. Bye guys, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you. Bye.